Hello, I'm Lisa Bora and I'm a master's student of Garden City University from the Life Science Department, and I'm pursuing my master's in human genetics. I'm here in GGIRHR to pursue my training in clinical embryology. Here we have been exposed to various practical and theory course models in various techniques of clinical embryology, and I would like to express my gratitude to the faculty of GGIRHR in helping us to gain this important part of our career. Our course model includes various sperm preparation technique, ICSI technique. Then we have also learned about the vitrification process and the various aspects of embryology, grading the embryology, grading the oocytes, and also studying about sperm morphology, motility, and counting. So hereby, I would like to express my gratitude to the faculty of Garden City University and also the faculty of GGIRHR in giving us this amazing opportunity. Thank you.